When I came across the Legacy Builders program, I was just about to launch my digital marketing course. And I put it on hold because I realized that this program was having so much in common with what I was working on. And I realized this has a lot of value because it brings in the missing parts on for people who want to launch the product. Someone who is a beginner, they have an idea of a digital business that they want to start, but they don't know what to do or how to get started. So, this course or this program brings in everyone, whether you're a beginner, whether you're an intermediary, or you own a business and you want to know how to grow your brand, to grow your email list so that you can have more recurring income from your email list. My name is Anne, an online business owner since 2015, and today I'm going to take you through this program that I think you need to consider being part of. Now, this program is called the Legacy Builders Program. It's a program that basically is a blueprint to making it with online business. And why do I call it a blueprint? Because it's an all-round program that takes you from a beginner to a pro to creating a system that gives you recurring income. So this program is for beginners. This program is for those who have experience with affiliate marketing. You have your own digital product and you want to scale. You're just getting started, or you have a business and you want to grow your brand online, learn how to market, learn how to create more income streams from your business, and also become an affiliate to other businesses and use your email list to increase your income. Now, what you learn with this program is digital marketing. You learn how to create content, simple strategies that you can even do without showing your face. So you have an option of showing your face, you have an option of um, training or learning how to get content even online that are already pre-made, and you can start using them immediately without showing your face and basically starting to sell the products that you have. Also get the opportunity to get to learn so much from Michelle, who is the owner of this program. She does a live webinar every Tuesday, and she comes with tips and strategies and new ways of growing your online business. You also get into a community that will encourage you, a community of people like you who are already entrepreneurs, and they'll give you tips and motivation and also tricks how to grow your brand online. Apart from learning how to start, grow, and create more income streams from your business, this program has something special. And that is why I decided to put on hold and help other people like me who want to get started to make a passive income online, to make money online while taking care of your other businesses, taking care of your family, like myself. It has what we call the reseller rights. Apart from being equipped on how to start and run a profitable online business, you also get the opportunity to sell this program to other people, you know, and make 100% profit. Okay, so there are different bundles in this program. There's a launch pad. In the Launchpad, you get to know exactly what you do on a daily basis in your online business, and you do this using organic methods. So you're taught how to use organic methods to grow your business. That is under $100 bundle. You can also choose to go for the $300 bundle where you get all the strategies you need to know that helps business owners to replace their income online. You will learn how to get your perfect customers, how to copy and paste proven organic methods in high traffic websites, and build a foundation of passive income streams. And then we have the digital mastery, where you will learn how to create recurring online income, create results with affiliate marketing. You will learn how to build a solid email list. And you also get to earn from anyone else you're able to introduce this to, and comes in under the 300 bundle or the 100 bundle. Now, under the 900 USD bundle, which is the best, you're able to learn so much. You're able to engage on live webinar. You're able to learn how to do sales on autopilot. And by the way, this program, you're able to get a done for you website, a done for you funnel, so that anyone you bring on board, there's a funnel that is ready for you, that you're able to take them through and become part of your email list. Now, with a $900 package, you learn how to dominate in social media, learn how to master your craft with valuable support material, and you're able to earn from anyone who comes and purchases the bundle on 900, 600, 300, or $100. So, this program teaches you how you can create your own digital products and create recurring passive income. And secondly, it lets you, if you don't want to create your own products, you can resell these products as your own and keep 100% profits. I would want you to learn more about these products. I'm leaving a link at the description. Go ahead, visit that link, and learn more about this product. Or go to my bio and learn more about this product. I'll see you on the inside.